Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox authentication error. Is and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First just right click on Roblox, go to properties. After that go to compatibility and then click change settings for all users. Now you will find it like that. All you need to do, just make sure to enable those two options and also the first option here and make it Windows 8. Then click apply and OK again. Restart your PC, and after restarting your PC just try again to launch Roblox, and if that doesn't fix it, type here apps and features, then type here Roblox. Now click on it and click on install, and after that type here run, and now type here %local app data % and click OK, and then scroll down until you find Roblox. Right click on it and click delete, and that's it. Now just install it again and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.